Hey guys, how are you all? I am Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So mangtika is a very famous accessory and all girls and women of all ages love to wear a mangtika a lot. And since when I have started making jewelry, there's a lot of demand for mangtika too. So today in this tutorial, we are gonna make just mangtikas and nothing else. And I had made varieties of mangtika like this one with only kundans and these pearls, or this one with shells and kundans. Then this one is the heavy mangtika with kundans, and sometimes we feel that only mangtika and earrings are enough to give you the look. So yeah, so I have made in varieties of designs, in varieties of colors, and I had tried to explain them in a very easy way so that beginners can learn jewelry making and they can enjoy jewelry making process. So I hope that you will watch this tutorial till the end and will definitely try to make these colorful mangtikas at home. And you can try it in different colors, different types of kundan that you have as per your choice. So do let me know what kind of experiment you are gonna do with this jewelry designing. If you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, first to make this mangtika, we will take one big kundan. You can take any design of kundan, and then some teardrop beads, and then this symmetrical beads, and then with the help of laria we will attach them. So first I'll cut the laria in two, and then I will take the one laria and will insert zero size golden bead in this, because this normal bead won't go through. So we'll add one zero size golden bead, and then we will add this teardrop bead. So I have taken yellow color, you can take any color that you want, and we'll add some l'oreal. So we'll add uh, max 3 l'oreals in this, because I don't want to make it too much. So then uh, to insert this, we will make a U shape like this, and then we'll add this wire. If when you make the U shape, the wire easily comes out like this, and we can attach the bead properly. So make sure to make a knot and like this, and tie it. Now we'll add the asymmetrical bead. So again in the same way we will add this asymmetrical bead the way we added this yellow teardrop bead. And I am gonna add only 2 l'oreals because I just don't want so much of stuff. So again make the U shape and then add this bead just next to it. Again the U shape really helps a lot to take the wire out immediately. So just try to do that, and just do that and uh, bring the wire out. So like this we have to add, and then uh, tie it properly. So in the same way we have to do for all. So I have done this, and now we add this l'oreal uh, pearl chain. So for that first I'll add this jump ring in front of in the mid, and then we'll add this pearl bead chain in that, and make sure to close it very firmly, because this pearl bead chain is very thin and it can come out very easily. And the second end we'll add this pearl hook, earring hook. There is no need of eye pin as both has holes, so we'll just open this hook's hole and we'll attach it firmly. So that's it. With this cute earring is ready. So the next one is this. For that I'm taking this painting on kundan, and we are gonna take cylindrical kundan, and we'll decorate it with some pearl bead, glass bead. So I'll take laria, we'll add the golden bead in that, then we'll add this red bead. This is asymmetrical bead, and then we'll add around 4 to 5 l'oreals in that. And again in the same way, first I'll make the U shape and we'll attach this one here, and attach this to the kundan and tie it very firmly. So U shape really helps to get this laria out. So in this way we have to attach it. This will be kind of heavy look. So this is how we have to attach the pearls to kundans, and then we have to do approx 5 kundans like this, and then we will attach it to the pentagon. So initially I had decided to do with the jump ring, but the finishing wasn't coming good, so we will add it with the help of the 30 gauge wire only. So first I'll make the U shape, and then we'll wrap the wire to one kundan, and then take this kundan out from this end of the pentagon. So the U shape really helps a lot. And then from this end we will be inserting the wire in this, and yeah, and yes, so we'll wrap it like this. So in the same way guys, we have to do for all, so we'll quickly do. So I have made lots of videos on kundan jewelry, where I have made various designs in earrings or this mangtika or necklace sets and a lot. So they're very simple and very easy to make and make so beautiful, and also you can make them with minimalized material and time. So do watch these videos. I'll give the link here in the description below. And if you have any suggestion or feedback for me, do let me know in the comment below so that I can work on them. Thank you. So I have attached it, and now we'll add this pearl chain. So I have attached it, and this is how it looks. And then the next one is this cute pink one. So I have taken this pink I have taken this kundan stud. This is a big kundan stud, and with the help of 30 gauge wire we will attach the pearl l'oreal. So we'll add approx 6 to 7 pearl l'oreals in the 30 gauge wire and wrap it to make a bunch of them, and then we'll attach this wire to this our big kundan stud. So I have added this, and we'll wrap it to make a bunch like this, and then we'll make, and again we'll make a U shape, and then we'll add this to this petal and wrap it. So we will attach this type of bunches to all the petals, all the petals, and this is how it looks. And now we'll add this pink designer bead. So for that I'm taking this golden laria. We'll add the golden bead in this, and then we'll add this. And again it's up to you if you have to add l'oreals or no. So I'll add 2-3 l'oreals, though I felt that it was not needed later on, but then I added. And then we'll attach this to in this mid of these petals, not in the petals. So you can see there is a gap. So likewise we have to attach it, and then make sure to wrap it very firmly. So this is how it will look. And now I'll quickly add the golden bead pearl bead chain. So this is how our next is ready. And now we'll take this chan shape kundan, and then we'll add these green beads because that kundan has green color in that. So again with the help of laria we will add. So we had taken laria, and I have added this 0 size pearl bead in this, not the golden bead, and then we'll add this green glass bead, and then I add 2-3 l'oreals in this, and then again make a U shape and add this to the holes over here and tie it very properly. So this is how it will be. So we have to add to all, and then we add this green color kundan to this joining point. So for that I'm taking this eye pin and we'll open the eye pin and we'll add this over here, and then we'll add this kundan in this, and then again make U shape first, and then we'll attach her. Now you will feel that uh, this wire is less, but no, it's perfect for that for that shape. So I had taken small wire only, and then we'll add it here and we'll close the loop. So with the help of plier you can do it very easily. So, and yeah, then this is how it looks, and make sure to close it very tightly. And so with that, our this gorgeous uh, mangtika is almost ready. I'll just add this cute pearl bead chain. This looks so cute, right? I really like that pearl bead chain when I attach it. Yeah. Then we'll make this with the help of shells. So I've taken these kundans. We will place the kundans like this and the shells like this. So again I'm taking the laria and we'll add this laria in this shell and we'll wrap it over here. Okay, and then we'll add few l'oreals in this, approx 2 3 l'oreals, not much. So this is perfect for the mehndi function, because nowadays there is a trend of wearing shell jewelry to mehndi function or haldi function. So you can customize this for the mehndi functions and all, and then just wrap it over here. So then in the same way we will do for the other two. So I'll quickly do them and come and now we will add this attach these two kundans with the help of jump ring. So at this angle we will add this eye jump ring, and then we'll add this kundan over here. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks, and make sure to wrap it very tightly. Okay, and then at the end again I'll add the pearl chain. So over here I'll add the double pearl chain just to make the experiment as how it looks, and it had turned out to be so gorgeous. And now the last but not the least, we'll make again kundan plus beads necklace. So this is the similar to the second one that we made. It's just that we are just adding one more kundan extra here. So I'll take the laria, then we'll add a gold pearl bead chain in that, and we'll add this 3 mm glass bead. I have taken the pink color, and just for the experiment we'll add this yellow l'oreal. So you can add the white l'oreals also, or you can add the combination of pink or yellow also. It's totally up to you, or you can add any other color to match with the bride's outfit. It's totally up to you. So it's like a kind of funky thing. So I have added 4 pearls, and now with the help of jump ring we will attach this big and small kundans over here. So now you have to be very patient here while attaching it, and always take a help of plier for that. So do let me know in the comment below what kind of jewelry you like to make. I like to make mostly earrings. I don't know why, and that's why I have lots of earrings on my page rather than necklace sets or mangtika. But this video was really a fun. So I have attached this, and now I'll add this cute uh, pearl bead chain in this, and you can also add just the chain of pearls. Like you can add the wire in this, wrap the wire in this, and then in that add the pearls or golden beads, like any beads that you want to, and then you will, but make sure that to close it very firmly so that it will get attached properly. And yeah, that's it. And then at the end we will add this l'oreal sorry earring hook. You can also add this S type hook of necklace set, or that uh, lobster hook of necklace set. So you can see we have made this beautiful mangtikas. I have tried to show you in very simple steps. You will surely love to make this mangtikas, and also if you want to gift someone, these are the best options. So do try to make this at home. If you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here, I request you to press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.